So, what is up, beautiful people? How are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are good. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jane Frances Izonye, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to achieve this beautiful knotless yarn twist. So, if you're new, you're welcome, and please do subscribe to the channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're most definitely welcome. And thank you for coming back. So, if you want to see how I achieve this look, do watch to the very end. And hey, it costs just $2 to achieve this beautiful look. So let's jump into it. So you guys, I start off with parting my hair into 3 sections, 2 sections in front and then 1 section at the back, and then I go ahead to part that even into smaller sections. Now once I'm sure I've got a clean part, I go ahead to secure that part with a twist. Now if you guys have been following me for a while, you know I like to part my entire hair before I start the actual hairstyle. That way it's easier for me, so yeah. Now I always take my time to part my hair because it's super important to get your parts together, to get them as clean as possible. That way your braids or your twist or whatever hairstyle you're going for comes out clean at the end of the day, even when you don't have a good grip, if you get what I mean. So once I'm done with the entire front section, I go ahead, and part the back sections and come back and show you how to achieve this hairstyle. Now this is the yarn that I'll be using for this hairstyle. I bought a full pack which has 12 individual pieces inside, and it cost me about 1,200 naira, which is equivalent to $2. And I ended up using just about 8 out of 12. So yeah. Now I start off this twist with a knotless braid base and then transition into a twist. Guys, this is my favorite way of making my hair, like twisting my hair, because I do like how flat, how neat, and how good it looks at the base, if you get what I mean. Now enjoy the visuals of what you're seeing at the back. Once we get to the front section, I'm going to talk you through this entire process. So guys, now that we are here, I apply a little shine and jam to my hair, separate it in three, and start braiding. Now I like to braid 3 times, like 1, 2, 3, making sure that my grip is tight. I start feeding in. Now I feed in the first yarn, securing that with my index finger. I braid 1, 2, and then I pass the hanging yarn to the back without braiding it, and I feed in the second one. I just continue repeating the same process until I've, done this like 3 times. So yeah, I hope this makes sense, you guys. Now this is just me. This is how I like to do my knotless braids. Now feel free to do yours however you want. If you already have a way you start your knotless braids, just feel free to do that. But this is just the way I love to start mine. Now I braid this a little more till I get to the point where I want to transition. Then I go ahead and separate the middle strand in two. That way I have 2 individual strands to work with. I, apply some more shine and jam to my natural hair. And I start twisting the individual strands first before twisting them together. That way you get a smooth transition from the braid to the twist and a clean twist as well. So yeah. Apply more shine and jam to my natural hair to hide it seamlessly inside the yarn. So I just keep twirling and twisting till I get to the very end. Now, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you haven't, please subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified every single time I drop a brand new video. Now give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it so far. Now once I twist to this point, I just go ahead, and comb out the ends of the yarn. That way you get what looks like, feathered ends like you get with Kennecolon hair. So yeah. I go ahead, and twist this hair to the very end. Guys, you have to twist this to the very end if you don't want the hair to unravel. I do that and, go ahead to trim the flyaways and any hair that is poking out. And that is basically it, you guys. Again, I apply a little shine and jam to my hair, separate the hair in 3 and start braiding. Now I like to braid this 3 times, making sure that my grip is as tight as I want it to be. And I start feeding in. I feed this yarn in 3 times, braid a little more, and then transition into twist. Now, you want to make sure you twirl or twist the individual strand before you start twisting them together. That way, you ensure a smooth transition from the braid to the twist, and as well as a clean twist in general, if that makes sense. Now, I go ahead and twist my hair all the way to this point where I just comb out the end just to get that feathered ends kind of look, and I twist to the very end to secure the twist properly. Now I trim off any flyaways or any hair that is poking out, and that is basically it, you guys. So guys, now that I am done with the entire head of hair, I just went ahead to dip this yarn in some hot water. But guys, let me tell you all something. Hot water has got nothing on this yarn. I didn't even know if it felt different or if it did anything at all. But yeah, so I went ahead to apply some oil to my scalp and massage that in. So you guys, I went ahead to lay my edges, apply some mousse on the hair and some sheen as well to give it some luster, and I did all of that off camera, and this is the finished look, you guys. Like, this hair is giving what it's supposed to give. I mean, for a $2 hair, you guys, this is good, this is beautiful. So this is what the length looks like front and back. So that is basically it, you guys. I didn't even use the entire pack. I used 8 out of 12 to achieve this look, and it looks really beautiful if I do say so myself. And the best part of this is that it feels like I don't have anything on my hair right about now. So this is full, this is butt length, yet it feels so weightless. So for all my girls who don't like something quite heavy or bulky on their hair, this is it. So if you made it to this point, please don't leave without subscribing. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and thanks for watching. See you on my next one. Stay blessed, stay fabulous, and bye.